Now that we've explored the creation of collections and organization using keywords, we can explore other methods of sorting. Earlier, we introduced the ability to add star ratings, flags, and color codes to previews. In this lecture, we'll explore these features further. Let's start with star ratings. Say, for example, you have a large collection of photos that you recently took at a wedding. Some photos turned out extremely well, whereas others turned out just acceptable or even poorly. In this case, you may want to apply star ratings to each photo to keep a hierarchical rating of all your images based on 5 stars. 1 star would indicate a poor photo that will likely be removed at some point. A 4 or a 5-star rating would suggest the photo is excellent and worth using as part of your end slideshow, book, print, or web presentation. A 3-star rating would place the image somewhere in between and in the acceptable range. To apply star ratings to your images, highlight the image or group of images that you'd like to apply the star rating to. So I'll go ahead and select the first row. And underneath the thumbnails, it doesn't matter which one because we have all of them selected. Every time you hover your mouse over a thumbnail, you'll see these little small circles underneath. Go ahead and give this row a 5-star rating, and you'll see that each thumbnail now has a 5-star rating applied to it underneath. Another method you can use to apply star ratings is to use the 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 key on your keyboard. So if I set 1, you'll notice that a 1-star rating is applied. 2 for 2 stars, 3, and so on. I'll switch it back to 5 for now. To remove a rating, you can highlight the image that you'd like to remove it from and press the 0 key on your keyboard. So let's say I don't want to remove it from all these images. I just want to remove it from image 1 and image 7. So I'm holding the Command key on my keyboard to select 2 images that are not next to one another. And I'll press the 0 key on my keyboard. And so you can see that the rating is removed. Let's go ahead and just add that back in. So press the 5 key on your keyboard while they're still highlighted. Another efficient way of applying ratings to images is to use the painter. And we worked with this a little bit earlier when we applied keywords. To use it to apply ratings, click on it and change the menu item from keywords to rating. And then set how many stars you'd like to paint on. So let's say I want to paint a 3-star rating on these images here, 9 to 16. So all I have to do is click on image 9, hold the shift key, click on image 16. I have the entire row selected. And I can now click on any one of these thumbnails with the paint can, and you'll see that the 3-star rating is applied. So that's another efficient way to do that. Once you're finished with the painter, make sure to put it back so you don't accidentally rate an image you didn't intend to. Now let's go ahead and apply star ratings to each of our photos. It really doesn't matter what star rating you give. Just try to make sure that you have a set of images that have a 1-star rating, 2-star rating, all the way up to 5. Later on in this course, we're going to show you how to sort images using star ratings. Okay, so we have about 100 photos. So I'll make the first 2 top rows all 5-star ratings. We'll make these 4-star ratings, the second group of 2 rows. Give these a 3-star rating. So again, I'm just pressing either the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key on my keyboard to apply these ratings. And for the last few here, I'll just do 3 for this row and 5 for the very last row. Okay, so we have a good mix.